Here's how a full stack app works. There are three main components: the back end, which is usually a database, an API to manage the stuff coming from the front end, and finally the front end, which is basically the things that the user sees. And in our example here, the front end would be the register form where the user puts in everything. The API in this case would be the data from here, so the name, email, and password being sent to the back end. And the back end is where the user will be stored so that the code can remember them and they can have an account. And if we actually go to the code, you can see the front end here, which is the register form where we're getting the name, email, and password. And then here you can see the API where we're simply getting the email, name, and password from the user. And we're telling the code here to store it in the back end. And as you can see here, we have different parameters for the user, such as the name, email, and password. And that is the basics of how a full stack app looks like.